In this segment of the PowerPoint presentation tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to insert sound or multimedia and slides in PowerPoint. So let's say we have this particular slide here and we want to insert a sound file as part of it. So we click here on Insert, we go under Audio here on the right hand side, and then choose Audio on my PC. Now, of course, you can also record audio, but most commonly used, it's going to be audio from a file that you currently have in your computer. So we locate the file. Now, by the way, it is best to store the sound file in the same folder where your PowerPoint file has been saved as well. Otherwise, if you send it to someone, it will not play. They have to be in the same folder in order for it to play when you present it in another computer. So we double click, and at this point we can preview it. We can move this elsewhere, and by default this is going to play only when you click on it. If you want it to start playing as soon as it gets to this slide as you are presenting and you go to this particular slide, then you need to double click on it and then go under the playback icon or playback tools on the ribbon and then select to start it automatically. And then at this point, if I were to present, let's say I'm on this previous slide and I go and present this, now I'll go to the next slide and you'll notice that it will start playing automatically. Notice that you can play the particular sound clip across all the slides. Obviously, this would come in handy for certain occasions and not for business presentations. And you can loop it until it's stopped as well. And all of these options are under the playback option here and the ribbon after we have selected the sound file that we insert. If you like this video, please press like, subscribe, and then click on the bell icon.